Very good morning, my dear students. Today class I am going to solve exercise 4.2 problems. Here see exercise 4.2 problems you have to solve using the properties here without expanding method. Using properties means last class I explained you have 7 properties. Using 7 properties you have to solve exercise 4.2 and very important this topic and this exercise. Topic plus this exercise also important. In this 4 point exercise 4.2, they will ask on 4 marks question. If you want to get centum in mathematics, you have to attempt the 49B or 50B question. 49B or 50B, they will ask exactly these many years they are asking only exercise 4.2 question they are asking. Okay, now we will see exercise 4.2 problems. In exercise 4.2 problems, we have so many methods are there. That's why here I divided 4 types. I divided type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. For it to understanding purpose I divided. In textbook it is not there like that. For understanding purpose I divided here total 4 types. Now I'll solve first one type 1 method. Any problem they given you can identify which type means you can solve easily. Understand? First you have to identify that which type 1 or type 2 or type 3 or type 4. Now we'll see first type 1. Type 1 problems you can see here. You have to use properties and you have to simplify. Here they give question x, a, x plus a, y, b, y plus b, z, c, z plus c. Here also x plus a term, here also x and a term is there. Now here I am writing c1 implies c1 plus c2. What is the meaning? Column 1, column 2, both sum of two columns you have to write in the place of column 1. Now here I am writing column 1. What you have to do column 1? Column 1 plus column 2 both you have to write. Sum you have to write in the place of C1. Here you add x plus a. Again y plus b. Here z plus c. Here a, b, c. Here x plus a, y plus b. Here z plus c. Now we can check here. Here column 1 and column 2 both are identical. Both here columns are same. When both columns are identical, what will be dead value? Dead value will be 0. Understand that one? Here I am applying that operation. C1 implies C1 plus C2. Column 1, column 2 both you can add, you can write in the place of C1. After adding here x plus a, x, y plus b, z plus c. Now you can see here column 1 and column 3. Column 1 and column 3 both are identical. When both row columns are identical means dead value will be 0. Previous class you are given property. Use that property, two columns or two rows are identical, dead will be 0. Here determinant equal to 0. Like that you solve. Next question number 2 you can see. Here a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. Using properties only how to solve. Don't solve that here. Expanding method. Expanding method is exercise 4.1. Here you have to use properties and you have to solve. Now see here a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. Here see all the given same terms. Here a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here see minus b plus b, minus c plus c, plus a minus c. Here I am writing R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is the meaning? R1 plus R2 plus R3. 3 rows here you have to add, you have to write in the place of R1. Now I am writing R1. R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the R1, R2, R3. What do you write? A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus C. Next one more term here. B minus C plus C minus A plus a minus b. Next one more term here c minus a plus a minus b plus b minus c. R1 plus R2 plus R3. 2 rows, remaining 2 rows same you have to write. What is remaining 2 rows? B minus c, here c minus a minus b. Next R3 c minus a minus b, here b minus c. After that here plus minus term we can cancel. Plus b minus b plus b, minus c plus c. minus A plus C. Here plus B minus B, minus C plus C, minus A plus C. Here plus C, minus A plus A, minus B plus B. First row all terms are 0. Here first term A11, A12, A12. All terms you are 0, 0, 0. Here B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B. Here B minus C. Property 1. What is the property 1? Any row or any column, all elements are 0 means here determinate value will be 0. Once again, any row or any column, all elements are 0. When all elements are 0 means determinate value will be 0. This is the second question. Third one. See here 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86. How will you simplify this one? 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86. Here you can see multiply into column 2, 9, 9, 7, 63 plus 2, 65 you got. Again here 8, 9, 8, 72 plus 3, 75. Here 9, 9, 81 plus 5, 86 will get. This is the property, seventh property. Here I am writing C1 implies C1 plus 9 into C2. Understand? C1 implies C1 plus 9 into C2. Seventh property. Sum of the two rows and multiplying the scalar. Here you can see I am adding first C1 value 2 plus 9 into C2. C2 value is here 7. Next 3 plus 9 into 8. Next one 5 plus 9 into 9. Second column no changes. 7, 8, 9. Next 65, 75, 86. Now here 9, 7, 63 plus 2. Here 65, 7, 65. Here 9, 8, 72 plus 3. 72 plus 3 here 75. Here 8. Next here 75. Next 9, 9, 81 plus 5. 86. Here 9, 86. Here two rows are identical. When two rows are identical means here column 1 equals, two columns are identical. C1 equal to C3. When two columns are identical, what is the det value? Det value will be 0. Clear? This is the property. Which one? Fourth property. Two rows or two columns are identical. Det value will be 0. Here property 1. Property 1 here 2, 3. Here any row or any column, all elements are 0 means det equal to 0. Here also property 4. Property 4, any two rows or two columns are identical means here det value will be 0. Next fourth property. Fourth problem. Here fourth problem are they given 1, 1, 1. Here BC, CA, AB. Next you multiply AB here. AB plus AC. Next BC plus BA. Next CA plus here CB. Now you can check here AB plus AC. Here if you add this one BC. Like that here again BC plus BA here AC. CA plus CB plus AB. All terms will be equal. Now I am applying here operation. C3 implies here C2 plus C3. C3 implies C2 plus C3. Now C3 means here column 3. In column 3 place what you have to do? Column 2, column 3 both you have to add. 1, 1, 1. Here BC, CA, AB. Next here AB plus AC plus BC. Next one BC plus BA plus CA. Next CA plus CB plus AB. Here what is the common? AB plus AC plus BC. Here also AB plus AC plus BC. Here also AB plus BC plus AC. Here all elements are same in C3 row. here take out the taking AB plus AC plus BC common from C3. Now take out the common here, AB plus AC plus BC. If you take out the common here, remaining 1 1 1, here BC, CA, here AB, here 1 1 1. After seeing this one, you will get to know here two columns are identical. Where two columns are identical, what is the det value will be? Det value will be 0. Determinant value will be 0. Clear? What is the property? This one property 4. Property 4. Two rows or two columns are identical. Determinant value will be 0. If you want, you can simplify. You will get same. Question number 5. Type 2. Prove that 1ABC, 1BCA, 1CAB equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus C. Question number 6. 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus C. You have to prove that LHS you have to take, RHS you have to take. Prove. Now see type 2, you have to remember any row or any column having ones. That is the type 2. Once again, any row or any column having all elements are 1 means that is a type 2. Type 2 how to remember here means any row or any column having the same element, that is 1. Now see here R1 if you take, R1 having all elements are 1. R1 having all elements are 1. There you have to apply operation. C2 implies C2 minus C1. And one more, C3 implies C3 minus C1. Next, R. One more. Column 1 having all elements are 1. Here you have to apply operation. R2 implies R2 minus R1. After that R3 implies R3 minus R1. Understand? Here see, here they are given two questions. In type 2 you have to remember these two conditions. R1 having all elements are 1. C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1. You will get answer. Our next step is you have to find the det value. Or C1 having all elements are 1. R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. Here they given LHS, you have to prove that RHS. Now see first question, fifth one, solution. LHS I am taking. What is the LHS here? A1, A, B, C. Next 1, B, C, A. Next 1, C, A, B. Now, which is the two conditions? C1 having all elements are 1. Here column 1 having all elements are 1. What are the operations you have to apply? R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R1. Now you can apply what you get here. First one, R1 no changes, 1, here A, here BC. Next R2. 1 minus 1, R2 minus R1. Next B minus A. Next here CA minus BC. Next R3 implies R3 minus R1. Third row minus first row. Where you have to write in the R3 place you have to write 1 minus 1. Here C minus A. Next one here AB minus BC. Now you can see 1 A, here BC. Next 1 minus 1 0, B minus A, B minus A, here C minus A, here C A minus BC is there. What is the common here? C, if you take out the common here, A minus B. Next here 1 minus 1 0, C minus A. C minus A means here I can write C minus A. Here what is the common? B is common. When B is common, what is remaining here? A minus C. Now here you can check second row B minus A, here A minus B. Here if you take out the minus common means same thing B minus C. Or this one you can write here plus A, you can write here minus B. Minus you have to take out the common. Here also same minus if you take out the common here A minus C, outside minus you have to write. Now see here A minus B, here also A minus B. A minus C, here also A minus C. Minus you have to take common. Now here both place what is the common? A minus B common. A minus C is common. Now I am taking here common, taking A minus B common from R2. Same thing, taking A minus C common from R3. Now what will write here? Common I am taking what is common? A minus B common. Next A minus C common. Next remaining here 1 A B C. Here 0. A minus B common. Minus is there here. That is minus 1. Here C. Next 0 minus 1 here B. Now see here. 1 here ending part, first column element A11 is 1. Next remaining 2 are 0. Now we can find out that value. Now I have to solve that value. A minus B, here A minus C. In exercise 4.1 I solved. In 3 by 3 matrix that value. And here any column or any row having 2 elements or 0 means directly you can find out the that value. What is the that value here? You can write 1 into, here these two you can simplify. When 2 elements are zeros means you can simplify these two enough. Minus 1 into B minus C into minus, here minus C. When you have to solve means column 1 2 elements have 0 means 1 into here, these two only you can multiply enough. That is the that value. Now here A minus B into A minus C. Here minus into minus plus, here is a C minus B. But what they are given right side here? A minus B minus C minus C. Here what is there? A minus B, A minus C minus B. A minus C place and C minus B place, take what the minus common, we will get same answer. What will get? A minus B minus C, here C minus A will get. Therefore here RHS. Now we took LHS, we proved RHS value. Clear? Next, question number 6. Here see question number 6. What they are given? 6 solution. LHS I am taking. What is LHS? 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. 6th one you have to take LHS, you have to prove that RHS. 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. LHS you have to take, RHS you have to prove. LHS here, first column, all elements are 1. When all elements are 1, what is the operation here? R2 implies R2 minus R3, comma, next R3 implies R3 minus R1. Now first row no changes, 1 A square. Next 1 minus 1, here B minus A, B square minus A square. Next one 1 minus 1, C minus A, C square minus A square. After that here 1 A square, 1 minus 1 0, B minus A, here B minus A, B square minus A square. You know formula, x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. Same thing, B square minus A square, you know formula, B minus A into here B plus A. Next 1 minus 1 0, here C minus A, C square minus A square formula, C minus A into here C plus A. Now here you can see first row any common. If you want take here a common means here 1 is there. You can't take common. Here see 0 is there. B minus a. 0 into anything any scalar you can take common. Now here b minus a, here b minus a. B minus a, b minus a out take common. Next one c minus a, c minus a out take common. Here taking here b minus a common from R2. Next taking c minus a common from R3. Here b minus a common. Next c minus a common. What is remaining here? First row no changes. 1 a square. Next here 0 b minus a common 1. Here b plus a. Next here 0 c minus a 1. Here c plus a. Now you are taking common. Now you can see here first column 1 is there, remaining 2 elements are 0. When 2 elements are 0, here you have to do these two are the cross multiplication. Or you can do here det value. What is the det value here? A b minus a into c minus a. Now remaining 1 into here 1 into here c plus a minus here b plus a. Now b minus a here 1 that value I am solving. B minus a c minus a here multiply c plus a minus b minus a. Minus a plus a cancel. Here b minus a into c minus a. Here c minus b. But RHS they are asking a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here RHS they are asking a minus b, b minus c. Here c minus a they are asking. Here c minus c, c minus a both are same. Here this place and this place, both places you take out the minus common, we will get RHS value. This is the RHS. Now in type 2 you can see question number 7 and question number 8. Next in question number 7. Question number 7 in type 2 method only. Here see first row all are ones. Here condition R1 having all elements are 1. When all elements are 1 means what is the condition you have to apply? C2 implies C2 minus C1, C3 implies C3 minus C1. First, seventh one LHS here 1, 1, 1, X, Y, Z, Y, Z, here X, X, Z, here X, Y. Now what are the operations you have to apply here? C2 implies C2 minus C1 and C3 implies C3 minus C1. Now we'll see here first column 2, second column minus first column. Where you are writing the place of C2? Here first column 1 X, here Y Z. Next second column minus first column. Here 1 minus 1 Y minus X. Here X Z minus Y Z. Next one C3 minus C1. Third column here 1 minus 1 Z minus X, XY minus YZ. Now see here 1 X YZ. Next 1 minus 1 0 Y minus X. Next one here XZ minus YZ. Z is common here. X minus y, or you can take out the minus common, you can write this one minus z common, y minus x, here minus z common. Next here 1 minus 1 0, here z minus x, here x minus y, y minus z, here z minus x is there. What will take common? Minus y, you take out the common, you get z minus x. After that you can see here first row anything common 1 0 0 is there. Here you can see, here you can't take out the common. What you have to take common in here? In column 2 common. Here taking y minus x common from here column 2 C2. Next taking z minus x common from column 3. Now we are taking common y minus x. One more is z minus x. What is the remaining here? 1, here 0, 0. Next x, here 1, 1. Next yz, here minus z, here minus y. After that, here y minus x, next z minus x. Here in first row only one element is there, remaining two elements are 0. When remaining two elements are 0 here, first one 1 into these two elements you have to do cross multiplication. 1 into minus y minus z into 1, here minus z. Again here in first row two elements are 0 means 1 into you have to multiply these four elements. Here 1 into minus y in minus z into 1, here minus z. After that here y minus x, z minus x, here minus y plus z. Now this is you can write. Here they are asking x minus y, but here y minus x is there. Here you can take out the common. If you take out the common here, minus of here x minus y. Next here z minus x. Here z minus x is there, no problem. Here z minus x. Again here y minus z. Here minus y plus z. Minus, if you take out the common here, you can write y minus z. Now here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, here x minus y, y minus z into z minus x. You got RHS value. Therefore this is RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Understand question number 6? You can check that first row all ones they given. When R1 having all elements are 1, you have to apply C2 minus C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1 operations. You will get 8. Here same. R1 having all elements are 1. When R1 having all elements are 1, operations are C2 implies C2 minus C1, C3 implies C3 minus C1. First take LHS. LHS here 1 1 1 A B C, here A cube B cube C cube. You have to prove that RHS value. What are the here? R1 having all elements are 1. Operations are C2 implies C2 minus C1. Here C3 implies C3 minus C1. 1 here A cube, first column. Second column 1 minus 1 B minus A B cube minus A cube. Next 1 minus 1 C minus A C cube minus A cube. Next here 1 A cube. Now 1 minus 1 here 0. B minus A, I am writing B minus A. Here you know formula B cube minus A cube formula. B cube minus A cube formula here B minus A into B square plus A square plus AB. Once again formula B cube minus A cube formula. Previous problem solved A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. Here B cube minus A cube formula B minus A into B square plus A square plus AB. Again here 1 column 3 1 minus 1 0. Here 1 minus 1 0 C minus A. Here C cube minus A cube. C minus A into C square plus A square plus AC. Once again, here last R3 you can see A cube, B cube minus A cube formula, B minus A into B square plus A square plus A. Here C cube minus A cube formula, C minus A into C square plus A square plus here AC. Now next, what is the common here? In column 1 any common? No common. Column 2 you can see B minus A common. Column 3 you can see C minus A common. Here you have to write taking B minus A common from column 2. Next, taking here C minus A common from here C3. Now see next continuation. Here I am taking common first one. I am taking common here B minus C. If we take B minus A common, next C minus A common. Here remaining first row 1 0 0. Next here A B minus A 1 C minus A 1. Here A cube. Next B square plus A square plus AB. Next C square plus A square plus AC. Here you can see B minus A C minus A, first row are two elements. When first row are two elements, here you have to do cross multiplication. Now here 1 into, first you have to multiply 1 into here C square plus A square plus AC. C square plus A square plus AC minus, next these two elements you have to product. Here B square plus AC A square plus AB. Now here B minus A C minus A, here if you apply C square plus A square plus AC minus B square minus A square minus AB. Now B minus A here into C minus A, here plus A square minus A square cancel. What is the remaining? C square minus B square into remaining here plus AC minus AB. AC minus AB. Here B minus A into C minus A, here C square minus B square formula, C plus B into C minus B plus here A take out the common C minus B. Both places you can see here C minus B, yes C square B C minus B. Now here C minus B, here C minus B common. Take out that one, here B minus A into C minus A into, here I am taking common C minus B. Remaining here C plus B plus A. Now this is you can write here A minus B. Minus if take out the common. Here if we take out the minus common. Minus into minus plus, we can write A minus B. Here B minus C. Here C minus A into A plus B plus C. Now check RHS here A minus B minus C minus A. Here A plus B plus C. That is the RHS. Now LHS you took, RHS you got. Here question number 8 is completed. Now type 2 problems are completed. Next class we will solve type 3 and type 4. I hope you all understood today class. Once you practice thoroughly, this section is very important. Thank you.